Guys, this is Lindy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick nighttime routine and what I do at night to get a stretched out hair look like this for school or work. I'm going to record this in the morning because I use my phone to record, so I need the light. But this is basically what I do at night, and this is the next day after recording that video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it's helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, you guys. Comment below if this was helpful, and yeah, enjoy. Hey guys, this is just gonna be a quick nighttime routine. Obviously it's during the day. So what you're gonna do, this hair is from, I don't know how long ago I washed it. I think it was a week ago, and it's really dry, really kind of tangled up. I've been wearing it like this with a headband, so yep. So what you're gonna start by doing is sectioning out the hair into 4 sections, so that it's easier to work with, and spritz it with some water. Always spritz with some water. Just make sure the water is right in there so the hair is easier to work with. What you're going to do is try detangle with your fingers. Guys, do not use a comb at this point. If you do use combs, yeah, it's easier to just detangle with your hands. That's some leave-in conditioner. Spray some leave-in conditioner onto the hair and make sure it's right in there. Detangle again with your fingers. Like I said, guys, this hair is so tangled up. Put some coconut oil, trusty coconut oil. If you want to know where I got these products, there's a video I posted about all my products and where I got them, and yeah, you can watch that. Just make sure that coconut oil is in there and finger detangle again. This is my Caivils mixture of black castor oil and argan oil. You're just gonna put it by the roots. Get it right in there, and just massage it in with the palms of your hands. Feels really good. Last is the Aunt Jackie's curl lala. I use this when I really want like a soft curl the next day, not necessarily a hard twist out. So you can get this and use it. Don't put a lot, just concentrate on the ends of your hair. And what you're gonna do is just take 2 parts of your hair and do like a big untidy twist. And that's it. So I did that to the rest of my hair, and on the other side I tied it with the ribbon. So I'm just going to do that to the 3 parts of my other side of my hair. What you're going to do is take a cotton t-shirt, wrap it around your hair, make sure it's secure, take a scarf or whatever you sleep with and just wrap it. So some of you people have satin bonnets or whatever the hell you call them. You can wear that. That's very like that helps.